Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. 133,000 square feet of industrial/manufacturing space available for purchase. Please check out the attachments for the floor plans of the building. Once was one of Bush Industries' manufacturing plants. Currently, Coca-Cola rents a small spot, and the Jamestown BPU is a temporary tenant during COVID. 2 stories of manufacturing. There are loading docks all the way around the building. There is also an entire area that is office space. The end closest to Tiffany St also has a partial basement under it. The basement can be accessed from a staircase on that end. There are 4 total lots included with the sale. 2 of them are across the street from the building on Tiffany St.